Alright, I'm back. Looks like the battery's charging off. It kind of started, but I shut off. So, I mean, still a cold start. But, switch on, starter. Hold on a second. I think the battery died again. Yep. But, I mean, that's 2 days of sitting with today it's 15. Yesterday it was like, I would think it was like a high of 20 something, but it dropped to the low single digits overnight, and then today it's 15. So I mean, it's been pretty cold. Actually, it's probably been like 3 days. The day before was warm. It was actually like in the negative. So I mean, it starts when the battery's charged, but I'm just gonna keep the battery charger on it before I go to class today. I'm just going to tone it down to the little snowflake. Yeah, my dad bought this charger when he had his boat. After he sold his boat, I kind of confiscated it from him. I do like it. It's a quick charger. I don't really, I think that says Schmancher or something. Schumancher speed charger. Shipping shore. I think it's actually meant for boats, but it works on any battery, so I like it. It's got a quick charge, it's got a slow charge, it's got a snowflake for winter. It's also got a standard battery, AGM, and gel, so you can set it to whatever battery you have. I think this is just a standard battery, so I leave it on standard, but I mean, the ATV, I mean, the battery is good for right now. The lights are on. I just turned the winch on to show you guys that. I think I went the wrong way. Yeah, so I mean, winch works, plow works. I actually, because when I got the plow, the wear bar was bad on it, so the few snowstorms that we've had, I've just been running it out without a wear bar. So I mean, it's been doing fine with that, but I don't want to run it anymore without the wear bar. So I actually have a stainless steel 1/4 inch by 2 inch wide bar that I got, that I'm gonna have the machine mark where the holes have to go, drill the holes and mount on here, so it's reversible and should never really rust, but I might end up just coating it or painting it. But within the next month, I probably won't have this ATV anymore. Maybe the next 2 months, because I kind of want to keep it. But for right now, it's time to say I've had my fun with it. It's time to move on to the next bigger, better one. Alright, I'll see you guys later.